Hello. 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 Hello word from Hello Word. This is Mono, your Unity teacher from the HAL. That's Monday. That's Monday again! How can it be possible? How can... I don't know. I feel like every day is not that fast, but like... in general, it's already end of 2023. That's been such a long time. Oh, I ordered a few acrylic stand of Mono of the key visual. I'm not planning to sell it or anything, but I think it will be super cool to have it, at least for myself. I mean, I was also thinking about like selling it or like giving it as a reward, but then I wasn't sure because like I'm not really focusing on any certain country, and as far as I know, my viewers are from all over the world. So I think it's a little bit complicated to manage any kind of goods or anything. So I should think about it. But like I ordered an acrylic stand with 3 different options with 3 different prices. And then now we're gonna see what is the best and if it's worth that amount of money. I mean, it doesn't really differentiate, but it's like 1.5 times more expensive than the cheapest option. And then one is, it's like the printing option is a little bit different. So like, the cheapest one print on the acrylic, and the middle price one that you printed in between 2 acrylics, and the most expensive one has some kind of like fancy hologram scratch. And I thought like it would be super cool to have it because like I have those kind of programming fancy computer monitor thing, and I think it will fit well with the, I don't know, some kind of scratch holograms. Yeah. Then I can take fancy pictures and post it. And that will be cool. Huh? But I will see. I'm gonna show it when there will be a key visual release stream, which will be next weekend, I guess. Not the coming one, but the next one. Because I feel like I should do it in this month. And for this week, I should finish this game. I should finish making this game. But I heard a little bit sad news. I heard to prevent kind of abusing of the Google Play Store, so you cannot upload any random applications anymore. So you have to have 20 testers to release your app on the market. I think I have 20 friends. Am I? Yeah, it should be fine, I guess. Yeah, but I feel like everything is getting a tiny bit and more and more difficult. And do you know, at the very beginning, YouTube doesn't have threshold to monetize. Then like every YouTubers could just monetize from the very beginning, and then it wasn't complicated to to register Google AdSense or something. And then everything is a little bit more and more complicated, and life isn't that easy. At some point I've been like, okay, what can be worse? And then everything gets worse. Amazing. Yeah, but that's the life, maybe. I drew some pictures of Mono recently and then posted in Twitter. I personally just like keep calling it Twitter because I don't like I don't like the new name. Laughter. I like YouTube emojis. They are so cute. And then at some point I was designing my own chat icons. Preparing for the future. Yeah, I think I can have channel membership if I have enough time of view. Hello there, am I late? You're not. But that's C. Scared. I'm scared though. Anything order than C#. I'm not scared of Python or something. Maybe I'm not afraid of Golang, even though I didn't look at it. I'm not scared of F#, even though I have no idea what that is. But see, Gary, what we doing today? So, I want to finish making this game this week. So we're gonna keep work on it so I can finish it during the weekend. And let me show you the progress. I'm not just trying to play it once more. I'm just like trying to show how far I got. As known as just having fun. I also want to change the sound and the art assets and every time I'm not motivated to do anything. I shouldn't have moved to there. Okay. That was a little bit dumb, but who cares? I don't like those sounds. I mean, they are fine, but they don't fit together. I think it was fine one by one. Ah. background music is not from the game. Maybe it's okay. I'm too lazy to tell. Ba ba bum. I felt like changing would be better, but if I'm too lazy, I think I can keep it. Huh? Oh, you still have the sound. That's interesting. Am I doing the same thing? Can I press it? Hello! Hello, welcome! I want to finish this. This week, maybe? It's the time to work on it. But as always, as always, not the most motivated person in the world. Yeah, I think I can keep the sound. It could be better, but I don't dislike it that much. The problem of those types of game is that I like them, and then whenever I start to play, I cannot quit playing it. Yeah, I want to finish making this game this week, and I want to release the key visual for the next week. So I should work hard, huh? And then I made a new header and new profile icon, which is part just like cropping the new key visual. And then that was it. And that was it. I should work on making the thumbnails and what else? I also want to make the opening and ending picture new. I don't know. I will do everything new if I can. As far as I can. Hello, hi, hello, welcome. Trying to finish making this game this week. But then I started to play it, then I cannot finish it. I need some fancy coin icon coin moving to that direction and saving. Right. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I hope everybody understood. Woohoo! I think it would be cooler if I opened the winning event up a little bit faster, because it feels like there's some kind of delay. Yeah, many things are done, but nothing is done at the same time. Hey, where is my winning canvas? I don't have any water. Let me grab some water. Hold on a second. Ta-da! I'm back. Yeah. I realized I didn't drink any water today. I don't know. I drank a little bit. But then I forgot, and I realized at some point that I am thirsty. But you know what? Everybody who drank water died. So no reference for winning canvas? Then how is it? I forgot everything about this project. There should be some script. Oh. I put it as a game object. That's a bad idea, Mona. Okay. Winning canvas. Let me find the reference. Here you are. Cursor controller, which has everything. All the random related, conceptually related function. And I want to change this 1 second wait to 0.5 because there is no reason and reasonable thinking behind it. Just like run everything in coroutine, which is also fine, and assign the random number to the wait for second, which isn't good. Coroutines are fine. Yay, play game time! So excited to play some game! Yay. Is it possible to... Is it possible to know that if a stage is... If it is possible to play, clear it or not? Okay, how would the random 0.5 second would feel like? Oh, that's fine. I like it. I think it's okay. And I give like 100 coins, but that the winning pop-up is at 50. That's very interesting approach, Manu. Menace 白いんですね。面白いよ。楽しいよ。そうですね。Recently, I learned how to play mahjong. That was fun. I feel like it's very social game. And then I made some like horrible mistakes, like I thought I finished the game, but then I couldn't score. And like I showed my entire cards. How can I call them? But then I wasn't finished because I couldn't have any kind of scores. And then usually in that case, like, I have to pay some kind of penalty. But yeah, everybody forgave me. Because I was still considered as a noob. That was okay. I liked the game. Okay, if I want to finish this game this week, I should stop playing it, but should make it. Okay. Okay, that one I can. Okay, I should regenerate the stage. There is some kind of bug, I don't know. Oops. When and why it is happening. but I don't want to open the code. So let's skip it. Shop function is also totally broken. Why did you do that, previous money? You see the unhappy face. Very unhappy. The broken shop made it unhappy. I also have to fix shop UI. That's a minor detail. I mean, it would be annoying, but do I know how to fix it? I think it's quite easy if I use the Unity function. Undo should be deactivated when there's nothing to undo. I think I can do it. Let's do it before fixing the shop UI. Also, there is no logic for rewording. You cannot reword anyone. Aww. Everybody wants to be rewarded. I remember I didn't implement certain type of ads. Okay. Add beaker and oh yeah, okay. All as related. I feel like when I was implementing ads, I lost all my motivations, huh? When I made the gameplay, I still have some kind of motivation, I feel like. Polish, change sound effect. That's a little minor thing. Maybe I don't have to. Languages should be translated. I'm considering to get rid of languages. Yeah, who needs languages for such a simple game? Do everybody want it? Should I keep it? I mean, that's kind of funny because there are like, I don't know, 5 sentences. Oh, not 5 sentences, 5 words. Something is broken with additional beaker. Change button reusable. I think they are minor things. I mean, not really minor, but I would call it minor. Okay? Undo should be deactivated. Do I want to deactivate the button? Because I remember last time I wanted to just make the entire button into into the opening the ads. Undo command manager, undo command manager, and undo. What does this red button do? Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. Maybe we realize that there aren't many songs I know. Undo, okay. If command buffer count 0. Okay, that's why I didn't make the function. doesn't make sense for the command manager to know the button. Well, easy way, but is there any other way? Yeah, I mean, it would be easy, but like, look at this beautiful structure, even though it's like mono behavior and everything. But like, I don't know, isn't that fancy that you use interface? You use stack. You use static. You use singleton. Is it singleton? Yeah, everything looks so fancy. I don't want to add a reference to the button, but let's do it. Private button. Undo button. Var is active. Enabled? Is it? No, it's not enabled. How do I name it? What is the name of the interactable? Okay, interactable. Is it interactable? Interactable. It's active. Interacted. Interacted. There's interactable. Interactable? Interactable? Interact. Interact. I don't know. So if it's not 0, it should be interactable. So that's like true. And if not interactable, turn it off. Turn it off. Not really turning off. Oh. That's weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Eh? Oh, I think I did the other way around. Is it? Huh? Hello. Hello. It's me. Great time to Control Z. It is great time to debug. It is a great time to find out what I did wrong. Hello, Zero. Yeah? Oh. I didn't check it beforehand. I just checked it when I clicked the button. Add debugging, divorce pane. I personally like debugging. Especially I like to find out that somebody else made mistake and then I found that out. I like that. Eh? I like to say that you're wrong. And I found your mistake and then fixed it. And then I make like everything messier. Like I fix one problem and then make two. Ah! Please check it whenever. That's complicated. I hate it. I got an error and no Google search result. Well, to Stack Overflow it is. Yeah, I think the easiest error that you can fix is that you have some kind of warnings or messages. That's the best case. Because most of the time it's like some random code you wrote and then you were never gonna find out what you did wrong. Yeah, I guess like when the command is added, I can check it again, right? Yo, what's up, boss? Hello, welcome. How's everything going? I'm great. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm a bot or something. Yeah, doing great. Yeah. Having fun making the game. Trying to finish it. Logic error. Dead. I don't know. Be smart. Should be fine then, right? No. Okay. So when you undo, I should check. I should check whether the buffer is 0 and the random number there is also 0. I I already said that at the beginning of the stream, but I made some acrylic stand of Manu. Agree, bro. Syntax error, easy. Logic error is the hardest. I'm also suffering from that. I feel like I had to implement some functions, like whenever I press this, this happens, and press that, and that happens, and then I feel like I'm messing it up. It was working. But I'm pretty much sure it is wrong. It causes some problem because like some function is, I don't know, the UI and the actual function is separated and it shouldn't be separated. I even have no idea what I'm talking about. So, how do I check? How do I check? How do I check? How do I check? Everything is there is also a chance that I call it play sound effect, but then I added the reducing count or something. No. Where do I? That one. Okay, that's a great way. I was sleeping or something? Why not assigning it there? I mean, that's always okay, but just do one thing, not both. Yeah. I personally like when everything is controlled in code. So let's put everything here. Everything is silent. Da, 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 da. Not rich anymore. Silent. Can you sing Rap God? I don't know what that is. Is that something interesting? I also got some random recommendations, and I wrote down something somewhere, and then I forgot. Sorry of those people who recommended me everything. I wrote down everything. At least I wrote down. Cannot reach anymore. Okay, is there any way that I can combine those two? Is there any way? Oh my god, no. I don't think so. Sing! Sing for us! Sing once again with me. My power over you grows stronger, yeah. My voice and one combined. The Phantom of the Opera is there. So what's the favorite song? My favorite. That's like always difficult questions. Recently, I think like the most addictive song is that one. That Lori Kamikori. Lori Lori Kamikori. Better than Rihanna. I will take you anytime. Ah! When I was like really young, I really liked the Phantom of the Opera, not the musical one. I read the novel and I liked it. And then I didn't understand why Christine chose Raoul. Because I thought like I like the character of Eric, the Phantom. And then I grew a little older, and then I realized that actually, I don't know, a weird, I shouldn't call him weird, but like, not really normal person who cannot really socialize versus a young, noble young man. I felt like Raoul could win. And now, I feel like I don't like both. I feel like Kristen should continue just her career, her life. I don't know, I don't like both. They are like so needy and whining all the time and... Wow, you sing pretty well. Good enough to make me subscribe and comment on stream. I was just randomly passing by. Hello, welcome! Oh, you have a nice duck profile picture. I was watching all different types of ducks on YouTube. But anyway, thank you. Even though I'm now struggling how to deactivate those buttons, let's just make a fake button. I think that's okay. I will add the same fake button with a different function. Sing once again with me. Sing, my angel. Sing for me. Think of me. I try to sing it like all the time, but it's like too high. Cannot really sing it. Think of me fondly. What you've said. I cannot do that. Do goodbye. Remember me once in a while. Please promise me. I try. You never sing that once you. I have no idea how the song continues. Be free if you ever find a moment. Hear the thought for me. So can you long to take hold and be free? Let's make it 0 so it is faking successfully. I think it's okay then. Should be. If you ever find a moment, be the thought for me. Do you know Markiplier? I don't think I know it. Markiplier. Very famous YouTuber, huh? Mona is undercover singer trying to hide her identity. Yes. I hide it successfully. So nobody, even I didn't know it. It was so successful. So the logic chat for it should be 1? Is it? My dog is a rip-off of a desktop goose. If you know about it, there is so many things I don't know about this word, desktop. But that's That sounds cute. Oh yeah, I know it. I know it. I have some kind of like fun time hanging around with those goose guy. Cute, annoying. That was perfect when I work. Side note, what are you making this for? Hobby? Or are you planning to publish hyper casual games for mobile? Or are you working for an indie studio? I was planning to publish it for just my personal project. To the Google Play Store, I guess, because yeah, I don't have a Mac. And yeah. Hey. Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Yeah, I wanted to publish it, and then I started it in April, and then I was thinking that this will be like very simple to make, and then it's already November, and then I'm trying to finish it this week. I mean, it has been like I started from the number 1, and then now it's like number 45. Even though I didn't really spend like much of the time, because like the streaming was, I think in average 2 hours, but I was chatting all the time. Very relatable. Thank you. And I finally removed all the fancy functionality. So I think I can finally finish it. And like, here it's my to-do list. What did I want to chat? Oh, the undo. And then now I was thinking of getting rid of the language change option, even though I finished making it. And then yeah, I mean, there are only like 5 words or something. Why do I need language? That's long. Though actually the game looks fairly fun to kill time. Yeah, the fun thing is that I made it. And I didn't apply the add function yet. So I can infinitely play it without watching any ads. And then I realized that's the good part of being developer. I can actually play my game without being annoyed. I thought the idea of those kind of games are annoy people. Haha. But I don't have to be annoyed. And I can randomly generate, I don't know, 5,000 stages. And then I can play it forever without watching any ads. And this button doesn't do... Oh! It does something. What? I implemented that? Wow, that UI looks neat. finishing part, or is that the Google ad part? Mona forgot her own code. Yes. My own code is from previous me. It's like different me than me. The game win, yeah. Huh. That menu, thank you. I just like... It's like randomly made. You know. Hello. You know, those are just like... rotated boxes. And I always feel like there should be a designer. I shouldn't do all the design by myself. But yeah, undo should be deactivated when there's nothing to undo. I finished that. Also have to fix shop UI. I think fixing that was super easy if I remember correctly. If I remember what button to press, I think it was easy, but the problem is that I have no idea what button to press. Too late for a designer now, I think. You can change the job title. There was some way to, like, if I write this something with the content size feature and I don't remember. And then I don't think I have to worry about having infinite amount of money because you cannot really write something in. I think here a content side feature once more. And horizontal fit to the preferred size? No? Layout group? Oh my god, I have no idea. Layout element? Maybe? Preferred height? Yes. Preferred flexible width? I think there was something... something that... controlled by the child. I forgot. I forgot! Oh! Is it doing that? Looks like it. That? Okay. Okay, that was easy. Okay, let's write 500. And I align it middle left. Big brain, yay! I remembered it. Even though I don't think that's the best way to apply it because, yeah, Unity UI. I heard that's not the best way. Hi, hello, welcome. Hello. I want to finish this. I want to finish this project this week. I'm working on it. Yeah, I'm planning to have a longer stream for those weekend. If I want to do streaming on weekend, should I do it on Friday as well? I don't know. I can have community vote or something. Yeah, this week I want to finish this game and I want to do the key visual reveal streaming next week. That's my plan. I have no idea if future me will dedicate on it. But I trust her, right? And everybody trusts the future Manu, huh? Anytime is fine, to be honest. Yeah, I really want to. I mean, I want to finish this game because it has been really a long time. And I really want to show my key visual to everybody because it's so fancy. And I made the acrylic stand with that. Ah yes, procrastination. Yay, that's the name of my nation. That's my nationality. Can't wait. Yay! I mean, it has been like 2 months. I should have been like... Okay, little bit earlier could be fancy, cool, awesome, but yeah, I was super busy on October. Yay! I don't know, it's super fancy. Even though I sometimes think like, what would be the actual theme or character that in Satozaka Mama's mind? Hi, procrastination. Hello. From the nation. I'm from procrastination. That's the name of the nation must be. Okay, I just had like 2 tasks to work on it today, and there was line between it, and then I finished those 2. Why did the chicken cross the road? I feel like I heard it somewhere. Can I cheat? Maybe I shouldn't, huh? Meet the idiot? Huh? Eh? Never mind, that joke didn't work. Knock knock. Eh? I just trying to understand it, and then I googled it, and then I'm reading, why did the chicken cross the road? It's a common riddle joke with answer being to get to the other side. Eh, eh, to visit the procrastination? Wait, don't read. It's like a twisted joke. Okay. I will take my time, and maybe at some point, in my life, that I finally understand everything. On the time of enlightenment, when I understand the meaning of the life and this entire world, maybe I would know that. Knock knock. Undo button should not undo when add button is activated. Does that do that? Maybe. Yeah, I faked the button, huh? You're supposed to reply with who's there when someone says knock knock. In my brain, there's only Lady Laneycon. From the Adventure Time. I should say who's there? Not allowed to say. The fake button is different. Oh, it has the reference to the thing, huh? I think now it should be fine. LOL. Yeah, I remember because Lady Raineycon speaks in Korean. Why is it? Why it has different color? I just copied and pasted. Hello, I just copied and pasted. Huh? That's disabled. Okay. What do you do? University, graduated, or working? If you don't mind me asking. I'm a developer from the HAL. Hello World from Hello World. So there's a Unity using company in the HAL, and I'm developer from there. And I'm trying to teach people Unity so they can work together with me in this HAL. Like in your afterlife. Yeah. Let's work together. Let's effort together in this HAL. You don't have to be, I don't know, fried in the pot. The lava. If you work as a Unity developer, you can talk to the demon friend. They are chill and cool. Why does it has different color? I have no idea why. Oh, because it is half transparent. Okay, I see. I see. Cool. Yes. It's actually, the weather is quite cool. It was really cold today. That's crazy. But are you really teaching anyone though? You are watching, you know, if you have a bunch of books, and then if you place the book nearby your bed, and then you sleep, and then there's some kind of like magical wave comes from the books, and you will get smarter if you don't read it. That's the way that you get smarter. That's the reason you have to buy books. That's the reason that you have to buy books that you will never gonna read. Yeah, so by looking at my stream or like being around with it, not only watching it but also just subscribing or something, then you can get smarter. That's how you learn how to use Unity. I use Unity as well, though I focus more on the software programming than game development. I've made few tiny games though. I'm also on the actually in the industry part. But like, I mean, you cannot build an industry application by yourself. That's why I decided to make this hyper casual game. And then I was thinking that I have to, I don't know, upload some tutorials how to use Google Media. I even forgot the name. Yeah, they have those kind of fancy trained AI model which tracks facial features or like your body gestures, and then there was something more that could be interesting. And then I'm just uploading a random talking video. Sounds kinda fussy, but okay. Yes. Everything is logically perfect. I think it's too weak word. Yeah, I think Unity is also quite interesting for the industrial applications. I also went to the Unity conference in industry part. And then, I mean, like half of the talk was about like AIs and I don't know, they were advertising about Unity Muse and Unity incentives all the time. But I like how you can build like bunch of different stuffs with Unity. Yeah, I think that's quite interesting. But whenever I build some random things, I think it's like getting better and better by time. But I really think Unity is made for small games. I genuinely have no idea what Unity and AI have to do with each other at this point in time, at least. I think that's also an interesting point of view. I think Unity centers could be quite meaningful for those projects who wants to use AI models in Unity, because Unity centers is that allows you to use this kind of module that you can implement your own AIs. I have no idea. Or do they provide it? I didn't really check. Because I also didn't care much about Unity centers. But then you can build into a different build targets. I think that's quite interesting one. That's quite important. If you have your AI to implement in Unity, I mean, if your project has such types of it, I think that is quite interesting. Unity Muse, it's like Unity focused ChatGPT, which is interesting. I also tried it out and then it gave me hilarious answers. It was advertising Unity all the time, basically. And other generative AIs, I don't know. It's like you can also have Unity plugins, but you don't have to run it in the Unity. It's like, yeah, whatever. They could implement AI to help when you have an error. There's only way I could think it works. Like IntelliSensei or something? True. I think like those kind of compiler, not compiler, but like the code suggestions? I don't know. I think it's also getting quite good. It just like fields everything for you. I like those features. That's quite cool. But other than that, I have no idea. And I feel like the AIs are consuming too much energy for like nothing. Anywho, I'm maybe gonna work on my game now. Good luck. I've subscribed, so I might come back some other time. Have a good night. Thank you for coming and subscribing. Have a good night. Thank you for coming. See you next time, I guess. At some point I felt like there were more subscribers, not subscribers, more viewers of the stream on Fridays. But nowadays I feel like there are more people on Mondays. Everybody has like tough Monday and then want to suffer a little bit more. Can happen. That button, I don't know how to name on. I want to upload a snake game tutorial. I feel like tutorials are like whenever I upload it, it's not like doesn't get immediate views, but like it could survive. I think that's cool for tutorials. Do you know Python 2? A snake. Well, I can Google. I mean, I wouldn't say that I know like Python as much as I know C#. But if I have to do specific things, at least I can Google. Yeah, for many of those languages, I cannot even do that. So compared to that, I think I can call it that I know a little bit. Create a tutorial for Snake. I'm sure it won't take long to code. I mean, there is a Snake game that I made in last December in the game jam. And then all the source codes are open and the assets are open. And I want to make tutorial about that, and that was September's plan. And I didn't plan anything for October specifically. I mean, I have some lists, but like candidate brainstorm, I didn't really fix it. And you can see that October plan is as same as November plan because I just didn't do anything. So I just copied and pasted everything. Is it that hard? All we need is collision detection, right? I didn't implement any physics there. I just like calculate everything into the grid. Yeah, I mean, it took like 20 working hours in like 2 days to make the game, and then I didn't make the tutorial. I was too lazy. I mean, 20 working hours including making the art assets and so on. If I want to call myself a Unity teacher, I should teach Unity. Okay, future Mono will do that. because she's cool. She will have her key visual. She will have her acrylic stand. Yeah, I ordered acrylic stand, but like I ordered 3 different options with the different printing and different whatever acryl options. I have no idea whether I will sell it or something, but like at least I have that. She is that long. Explained a lot why AAA game took so long. Ah, I thought that's super short. Yeah, you can make your game in 2 days. Isn't that like super short? For 2 days, I can just like play mahjong all day. But instead of playing mahjong all day, I made a game with Chibi Manu. More than 5 hours is long in my opinion. Ah, interesting. At that point, I was streaming for 12 hours, and then somebody said more than 12 hours there couldn't be, YouTube doesn't save the archive. So I thought like, okay, then I should stop it now. But I didn't set my archive public because like I mean it was too long and there was something, yeah, some things that I wanted to edit, and then I realized YouTube doesn't allow to edit such a long video. That's a little bit painful. Okay, should I work on one more feature or something? Or can I call it a day? Open the file, debug what is wrong. Okay, state generation. Help function is totally broken. Okay. Undo button should not undo when as button is activated. I think I did that. Or is there's no logic for rewording as related functions are or missing? Languages should be translated or languages option could be deleted. Sometimes it's broken with additional bigger. Please come fix it. Test it. Change sound effect. Maybe not. Change level button reusable. Maybe not. Okay. I don't think there's like real small feature or bug fixing that I can work on right at the moment. Oh, I don't like it. Okay, let's fix that and then let's call it a day. Why are you not fancy? Eh? Don't worry, you can release this game next year. Yeah, but then I would be proud of myself. So I can work on next year's game. Even though I have no idea which one that would be. But why it doesn't work? Oh. That's weird. I don't know the update timing. That's interesting. And that's very interesting. But I can force update the UI top item controller. Set amount of money. How do I force update? Unity text match pro force update. Layout builder TMP text force mesh update. Amount of money force mesh update. This should do. I think. I hope. Please. If it doesn't, well, I would be sad. Can I call it working? It looks like working. But how can I know? Let's say 0. Hello world. What is force mesh update? So the timing when the text mesh pro, so the text is updated, is a little bit different. Doesn't work. But as far as I know, that force mesh update forces to update the mesh in that frame, in that moment. So if you want to calculate the size of the box or something, and then it is calculated a little bit later. I don't know the exact timing. But this doesn't work. Oh, I think I should also update the content size feature. That's a little bit annoying. Do I have reference to it? I don't think so. So like, let's say I set the text in the text mesh pro, and then if I want to calculate the size of it, size of the box or something, then it is actually calculated a little bit later, because like assigning and calculating the box size is in the different timing. So if you force mesh update, and then you can get the right size of the text mesh pro, whatever, the field size or something. Never used that before. Good to know. Haha, I taught you something Now you can call me the Unity teacher. Yeah. UI is fun. I feel like making UI is the most painful. I think like making functions or like, I don't know, networking or something like that is like super easy. But UI, there's so many things to consider and I don't like that. I mean, it's super fun. Although I feel like that's the most complicated work. What did I want to? I want to have the content site feature. Whatever. Just name it randomly. Feature. And how do I force content site feature? Unity content site feature refresh. Okay. Layout builder. Okay. Layout builder? Layout builder. Layout builder. What? Layout rebuilder. Rebuilder. Force rebuild layout immediate. Huh? Rack transform? Why? Did I call it as a rack transform? I'm just looking at random person's code. I'm not really sure, but let's try that and then try out whether that's really necessary. I didn't assign the reference, okay? Seems working, but maybe it's also illusion. Who knows? Never use layout rebuilder too. I think it's a little bit different for the legacy UI and Xmesh Pro? I don't know. There are so many weird things in this word. It seems working. But I think there's better way than this? I have no idea, but yeah, since it works, I would leave it as always. Yeah, I can make a little tutorial with it, right? When you want to fit your, I don't know, the size of text field, yeah, it could be a tutorial. Yay! I think then I can call it a day. Yeah, let's finish this game this week if I can. I wouldn't guarantee anything. Because I don't want to. Yes. But I really want to finish this game this weekend. So I'm thinking, if I want to finish it this weekend, so I want to have the longer streaming on the weekend, then should I do the streaming on Friday or not? That's the question. And I think I can make a vote on community, I guess? I don't know. The mono inside me whispers to me, like, if you want to do the streaming on Saturday, you should take a rest on Friday. And I'm pretty much convinced to that part. Let's just play this for fancier screen. Okay. I think something like this would be okay, fine enough. So that's for my screen. I think I did enough to call it a day. Even though I have like bunch of things left. Finish it next year. I should finish it this year because I don't know if there's like also a bunch of fun things happening in the end of the year, then I would forget about all my game or my YouTube projects. That's like my entire year. I was so enthusiastic about the YouTube and everything. Then there was something fun happening in my life. And then I forgot. I suddenly forget everything. So I think that not the best not the best way to run your YouTube channel. And since after I reveal my key visual, everything would get like fancier, happier, I don't know, official. Right? I don't know. I even have no idea what I'm talking about. But everything will be cool. Everything will be awesome. Just release it within this year. For the new year, do a new game. Yes. I mean, am I one planning, like imagining side of me whispers to me, you can do the monthly mono. You can create one game per month. And you can switch the sprites with some other VTubers asset, and then you can make game for them. And then since there are a bunch of designers for VTubers, but there isn't many programmers, so maybe I can earn a bunch of money. And then the realistic part of me whispers to me, okay, you know you cannot do all of them, right? You know you don't want to work that hard, right? You don't want to create the game per month, right? So like they are fighting inside of me. Like the kill and hide. I don't know the lyric, but like confrontation. Like, yeah, this mono and this mono is fighting. Yeah, but I think that could be interesting. Also, if it doesn't have to be a month, it could be also quarter, right? And then during those quarter, I make a tutorial about how to make that game, and I make one game. Doesn't have to be super complex. I feel like this is already complex enough if I want to have the shop system and advertising. But that's also like few tutorials. But something like Flappy Bird or something like that could be like super easy. With that volume could be a quarter thing. I don't know. I only care about the November money. 2024, the future grown-up major mono will take care of all the plannings and all the tasks. So, yeah, she will have a bunch of subscribers. She will talk clever, and she will be hilarious, so funny. Yes, that's future me. So, so let me just think about just current me. So this weekend, finishing this game. Next weekend, key visual revelation. Awesome November. Yes, and I think I would slowly disappear, and I think I can call it a day. I fixed 3 bugs, I guess, or like made a tiny feature. That was a progress, even though I have to really finish those making ads. Yes. As is like, yes, that's painful. 頑張れ頑張れ未来のものちゃん何でもできるんだから未来のものちゃんが世界で一番最強のYouTuber じゃなくて何かな最強の何かだから何かだから最強のものだから世界で一番強い的なものだからものちゃんだからなんかものと呼ぶのはちょっとおかしい感じがはい。Yeah. Yes. So I think that I would slowly disappear. It was a lovely Monday as always. Thank gosh it's Monday again, so I can finally, I don't know, work on the awesome projects. And yeah, everybody is awesome when they work. Yeah, yes, it was a beautiful day, and I slowly disappear, call it a day. And thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chats. Thank you for hanging around with me. Thank you for watching me developing this hyper casual game for 45th time. And I wish you to have a good morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and night, wherever you are. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming. Bye. Bye bye. Ah! I see some scream. Thanks for the stream. Scream. Thank you for the stream. 07, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. 07, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah. No, not you, Siri.
제가 도울 수 있는 답일까요?
No, you can't help me. Go away, Siri. Bye, Siri. I will tell that to her. Sad Siri. I think she's fine. Oh, bye. Bye bye. See you next time.